second annual Aussie Moto Meetup, guys. Let's go. Meeting at the Heathcote Macca's south of Sydney, we not only caught up with some of our regulars, but we had the opportunity to meet up with some interstaters that had flown in for the event. Big Bert from Tasmania, Stacey the VS chick from Hervey Bay, Queensland. They'd both flown in and sharing a car hire to get them down to the event. After a coffee and a chat, it was time to hit the road. Our destination, Fuel Cafe, East Lynne, just north of Batemans Bay on the south coast. The location of our second annual Moto Creator Meetup. It was a wet ride, almost 3 hours south, but as always when riding with an amazing crew, it was so much fun. Being our second meetup, we're excited to have almost doubled the number of creators here in Australia, and hopefully by 2023 we will have doubled them again. This episode isn't about me, it's not about what I'm doing, this is about the moto community here in Australia that is growing day by day. Please take the time to follow each and every channel you see in this video. They are all amazing people creating unique moto videos based around their lives. For everyone involved, I'm honoured to be part of this community and I treasure your friendships. Please enjoy the video. to a beautiful sunrise over Batemans Bay. We all caught up for breakfast, had a chat and a laugh about the previous day, and said our final goodbyes before heading to different parts of Australia. Now, if you happen to be a digital moto creator or a moto vlogger here in Australia, be sure to reach out to any one of us, get involved with the community. Our goal is to grow this community and have more amazing events like this. In particular, 2023 will be on the mid-north coast of New South Wales, and 2024 there is an epic ride down through the island state of Tasmania. So if you're after more information, be sure to reach out. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to get on and follow all of these amazing creators and get involved with our community. We love it, and we love to share our lives with you guys too. Thanks, throttle on, stay safe. See you on the next video.